Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Update iOS to the latest version so known battery issues are patched. Once done, enable optimized battery charging to slow chemical aging. Immediately lower screen brightness and shorten auto lock. The display is the biggest drain. Make sure low power mode activates automatically when needed and disable unused widgets. You'll see faster improvement because these steps reduce heat and charging cycles, both of which degrade battery health over time, so act quickly and set these defaults. Once the basics are set, you control what runs behind the scenes. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need updates. This lowers CPU wake-ups. Next, set location services to while using and remove always permissions. GPS drains battery and raises temperature. When charging, use the original Apple charger or a certified equivalent and avoid charging in hot places. Heat accelerates wear. Also remove thick cases during fast charging to prevent heat buildup. These changes cut cycles and protect capacity. To finish, you monitor and maintain. Check battery health regularly and note the maximum capacity percentage so you can detect abnormal decline. Every few months, calibrate by fully discharging, then charging to 100% to keep estimates accurate. Clean up storage and uninstall power-hungry apps you don't use. Less background work equals less wear. If you still see steep, sudden drops, review analytics for rogue apps, restart, and then contact Apple support. Pressure or hardware faults may require service, which is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.